Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Apple TV to control your TV volume. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to control their TV volume with their Apple TV remote. And so how I used to do it before is that I had to have two different remotes to control my my TV volume, and so that was a bit inconvenient. But now I can just use my Apple TV remote to control my volume. Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what we're first going to do is that you're first going to go onto your Apple TV and then go into your settings tab. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says remotes and devices. Now on this page here, you want to scroll down to where it says volume control. And right now it's set to auto via HDMI receiver. So if I click on this, you might need to select auto or you might need to select HDMI in order to actually control your volume. Now, once you do select one of those options, how it actually works for me is that if I click on the volume button, it doesn't show a volume indicator, but it actually does control the volume. So what I mean by that is, let's play just an ad here on Apple TV. We'll just play a random video. But notice how if I press the volume button, the volume actually increases, but if I lower it down, it actually does decrease, but there's no indication of it, okay? So that's the way it works for me right now. I haven't figured out a way to actually go ahead and show a volume indicator on the screen. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.